Hi, and welcome to my football tutorial. How to be football, good football, and in this tutorial, I will teach you guys how to be very good at this football. Okay, and to start with, you have the ball in midfield, and you wanna get the ball from the midfield to the attacker. So usually when I play against my dog, he's really good now because we train all the time. And when I play against dog, I usually just do like this. So it's he can't really move move the midfield, because he has no hands. So when you get it here, then you really what you want to do is that you want to push the ball. You want to push the ball, and you want to push it with this. You wanna push the ball with this, and in this tutorial, it's now comes the hard part, where you need to be almost as good as at this as that lamp. So in this now I will push the ball into the midfield, and what you want to do with this midfield, when the ball is in front of the midfield, you want to shoot like this. You can see that from there if you're not stupid. And if you if you wanna push the ball, otherwise you won't score. Score is when you put the ball in to the goal, to the hole, and what you wanna do is you wanna push the ball and shoot with midfield. So let's see how it does in action. You do like this, and that's how you get it to other side, because you see here that this side clear is. So what you want to do now is push the ball, and you want to shoot like. Okay, this is very frustrating, and hopefully I really hope that I will hit the ball the next time I push, because other time I think I no longer will have table. I will break the table, and that's gonna be mad. So this time I will do it right. So let's see. I usually when I play against my dog, I usually win like 10-0. So I'm really getting very good at this football, and when if you follow this tutorial and train really hard like I do, then you will probably reach my level in like 5 or 1 year.